Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about Chapter 5 Understanding Elementary Shapes. Okay. First, let's start to learn about measuring line segment. Yes, we know about the line segment. The line segment is a part of a line and it has two endpoints. Here, the line segment has two endpoints. So, what is the measurement of this line segment? Here, I used to measure by the ruler. It is a ruler. Where is the first endpoint? And the 0 should be coincide on to the first endpoint. And where will the another endpoint? That another endpoint where it is coincide into the ruler point mark. That is the line length of the line segment. So this line segment length is here 5 centimeter. This line segment length is here 5 centimeter. Now, comparison of line segment. Okay, we are going to compare the line segment without any ruler. Okay, any instrument. So, first I have drawn the 4 line segment. The one is AB, another one is CD, XY and then PQ. So, while you comparing without any instrument, so which one is the longer line segment here? By observing itself, we can tell the first longer line segment is AB, and then in the second figure it is difficult to us to say the line segment which one is longer, because while you observing the both the line segment may be or may not be equal, like yes. So that we have to compare the line segment by using the instrument. It is better. So measuring the line segment by using a ruler. So line segment is a part of a line that consisting of two endpoints. We label a line or line segment by its endpoints. We are labeling the line segment by using a letters. Here RS is a line segment 5 centimeter. See, I used here to measure the line segment by using a ruler. So, RS is a line segment. It is a 5 centimeter. The first endpoint should be coincide onto the 0 to the scale. Then another endpoint where it will be coincide to the on the scale. It is coincide onto the 5. So, it is 5 centimeter line segment. It is a way you have to measure the line segment by using a ruler. Measuring the line segment by using a divider. Okay. Now I am going to measure the line segment by using a divider. The divider is a place such that each tip of the endpoints of the line segment A and B. Here I have drawn one line segment A and B. It is A and it is B. The divider should be placed on the both the endpoints of the line. I have placed on it. Then without disturbing the divider, you should not do any changes on the divider. Take it as it is and then keep it on the ruler. Without disturbing the divider, the distance between the 2 points is measured with the ruler. You have to measure with the ruler. So, what is the distance now? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, the length of the line segment is here. AB is 4 centimeter. The first edge of the divider should be placed on the 0 point and the another edge point of the divider where it will be coincide. So, that is the length of the line segment. Why is better to use a divider than a ruler while you measuring the length of the line segment? See, when we measured by the line segment by using a ruler or a divider, which one is better? Compared to the ruler, the divider is better. Why? Because while you using a ruler, if our eyes are not vertically positioned, we may get errors due to the regular positioning. So if we use a divider, the error is minimized and we can get accurate results. So while you used to measure the length of the line segment by using a divider, we'll get accuracy. So if our eyes are not vertically on the top of the object, may get errors due to the angular viewing. While you use to the ruler, because of the position error, we'll get some mistake. So compared to the ruler, if we use divider, we'll get accurate length of the line segment. So it is better compared to the ruler divider. See, this is a error we'll get value using a ruler. See, the first, it is a ruler. If you observe the correct position, the center view, or else if you observe in the left or right, you may get wrong length. So that only 0.1 millimeter or 0.2, that is a error, but we will not get accuracy value using a ruler by positioning error. How do we measure the length? See, correct way to read the scale on the ruler. We have to, if you use only ruler, you don't have a divider. It is a way you have to find the length of the line segment. See, if you use from the left hand side or right hand side, you may get some mistakes. See, if you use the correct length of the line segment is 8.3 centimeter. But if you use a left hand side, you may get 8.2. 1 point is missed there. Then if you use a right hand side, you may get 0.3, 8.5. So it is a positioning error. Okay. So position eye perpendicularly at the mark on the scale to avoid parallax errors. So another reason for error, object not aligned or arranged parallel to the scale. So if we avoid the ruler to measure the length of the line segment, we will not make any mistakes. So better we have to use a divider to find the length of the line segment. We will get accurate length while you measuring the line segment by using a divider. So these are the error while we using a ruler. So avoid to use a ruler to measure the line segment. I hope you all understood. Today we have to learn about how do we measure the line segment by using a ruler and divider. Okay, but it is better to ask to measure the line segment to use a divider. Okay, hope you all understood.